Hello everyone, we are doing one of the board question. The table below shows subdivision wise rainfall in 2023. So the first part in this, they're asking to find the model class. So model class, as you can see, where the frequency is highest is here. So the model class comes out to be 600 to 800. After that, you have to find the median of the given data. So to find the median of the given data, you need to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 3 21 and 24. So your n by 2 is 12. So median is equal to lower limit of the median class. So in this, the lower limit of the median class is this. Plus n by 2 minus the cumulative frequency of the previous class by the frequency of that class into h. So lower limit is 600. 12 minus 7 divided by 7 into 200. So 600 plus 5 into 200 divided by 7, which is 600 plus 1000 by 7. 600, 7 1 times, 4s are 28, 2s are 14, 8, 5. So it comes out to be 742.85 approximately. Next, you have to find the mean rainfall in the season. So to find the mean rainfall, your xi is lower limit, that is 200, plus upper limit divided by 2, which gives you 300, 500, 700, 900, 1000, 1100 and 1300. FIXI is 9, 2000, 49,000, 3,600, 3,300 and 3,900. And you know the total of all the frequencies 24. So mean is equal to FIXI by FI. So putting the values, you will get simplifying it, you will get 775. So next, if the subdivision at least 800 millimeter rainfall during the monsoon season is considered a good rainfall for the subdivision, then how many subdivision has a good rainfall? So third part, it should be at least 800 millimeter of rainfall. So 800 is included in this. So frequency is 4 plus 3 plus 3. It should be 800 and more than that. at least. So 4 plus 3 plus 3, which gives you 10. So there are 10 subdivision where at least 800 millimeter rainfall is there.